How many people have bought something because they've seen it on TikTok? I'm included in that. Very guilty. Hashtag TikTok made me buy it. The most powerful and influential hashtag ever, with over 7.4 billion views. That's insane for a hashtag. So let's talk about it, right? TikTok is the #1 platform for consumer spend. Almost 70% of TikTok users will go on TikTok because they're looking to purchase. Another 40% go on and actually make the purchase. That conversion is very, very high. And I'm gonna tell you a fun little story, because why wouldn't I? There's a product I saw on TikTok. Did I need it? No. Did I want it? No. But I saw it. It literally was a machine that you put fruit in, and some sherbet and some sort of ice cream situation came out. Not only did I buy it for myself, I bought it for my husband, I bought it for Amanda, and for Liz. TikTok made me buy it. That is the buying power that TikTok has, and I want Thrive to be in that conversation. There's no reason why Thrive should not be in that conversation. So, as the Le-Vel social media team, we want to share some of our favorite apps with you when it comes to social media. We have TikTok and Instagram on there strictly because within each of those platforms, they have a ton of features and capabilities for you guys to create some awesome content. I definitely recommend diving in there and seeing everything that they have to offer. Next is InShot. This is my personal favorite video editing app. All the reels that I create for the Le-Vel page are done in the InShot app. You can speed up, you can slow down, add effects, add transitions. Next is Later. This is where I schedule all my social media content. I love their platform, very easy to use. Next is Studio. This is basically a full library of templates for you to use, whether it's a story or whether it's a post. It's all done for you by the professionals. You can plug and play with fonts and colors and images, but it's a one-stop shop.
Next, we have Mojo. If you're just feeling uninspired and you need a story to throw up right then and there, this is your go-to app. It's great. Canva, we all know and love it. One-stop shop for just any digital marketing needs. This presentation was made on Canva. We love Canva. Lightroom, if you want to keep your photos consistent, make your feed look amazing. Lightroom will help you with that. And then speaking of feed, Plan and Unum will help you pre-plan your feed so that you can make sure it's on point before posting. And we saved the best for last. Impresso, Shantae almost didn't even want to put it on this presentation because we were like, they're going to know how easy it is to look as professional as we do. But we really do want you to look very professional. So please check out that app.